Hey guys, welcome to our vlogs and please take a moment and subscribe our channel and please do support us. So today we are going to my mama's house to rep sari to Mother Velankani statue as the Velankani Navinas are going to start and her feast is going to come. So stay tuned with us. I hope you all like it. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome to Randan Vlogs and today I have Mother Velankani. Like as I told you all, her novenas are coming and her feast is going to come, and because of that we went to Mama's house as well to rep sari for Mother Velankani statue. And now we were having a small statue. We are having big one as well, but due to Corona situation we didn't paint it. Because of that, I'm going to use the small statue and I'm going to rep sari for the small statue. Now, I'm big devotee of Mother Velankani because her miracles are like you can't even imagine such miracles. She's Queen of Velankani, which is at Tamil Nadu. It is the famous church of Mother Velankani, and really, trust me, guys, whatever you wish with whole faith, it is going to get fulfilled. It is really going to get fulfilled. So today we are going to rep sari for this small statue of Mother Velankani. And as you all know that the other statue at Mama's house, that was big one, and because of that we used sari, our normal sari. Now for this small statue I'm going to use dupatta. So I will be showing you all how I'm going to rep sari for this Mother Velankani statue, the small statue. So are you interested in this? Are you interested in watching this? I know you are. So let's get started. Let's get started. First, step 1 is to tie a rope around tightly and properly. And as I have taken dupatta, so first we need to set it in the size of statue. For that I have folded the dupatta half and painted it using paints. I have fixed it up. So this you have to follow for the whole dupatta. And after that we need to fold it again 3/4 till the border, above the border, so that it comes exactly to the height of small statue. So pin it nicely and be careful, guys. Please be careful if you all are doing it. See, as you all can see, this half side is done, and now I'm going to fold it again 3/4 and again pin it up so that it comes exactly in the size of Mother Velankani. After taking a round, again you have to take a round and fix the things properly. First you have to take the measurement. Now I'm taking plaits, and after that I will be making the below sari properly. As you all can see, as we do it for our sari, the same way we have to do it for a statue. Now see, I'm going to fix it up with pins, safety pins, so that it won't get spoiled. Now I'll be taking measurement properly. And now you have to remove the pins which you have put for folding the dupatta.
so that it becomes convenient for us to wrap the sari properly. As per our convenience, we need to remove pins. I hope you all like this video, and please do subscribe my channel. I really need support of you guys. And whichever video y'all want next, please do comment down. Please don't feel feel bored to comment. So now y'all can see I have fixed the dupatta properly. Now I'm taking plaits at the bottom. So after fixing it, I will be pinning it up, and later on, after fixing the above thing, later on we'll be removing it and tightening. I don't know why you guys don't subscribe. It is just a click and you don't need to pay for it or anything. I don't know, there are always 200, 300 views on my channel, but y'all don't subscribe. Please do subscribe yaar, itna to kar do. And for likes also, we don't need to pay anything. Just one click. Please do it. See, now I'm going to fix it up properly, and after putting the pins, later on we have to look for the perfection. The thread which is coming, I'll be cutting it off. Don't worry about it. See, after fixing the above things, I'm going to do the plaits properly, and after that, see here, the sari is ready. Now perfection time. Let's go. Look how beautiful my Velankani statue is looking, guys. Now ornaments time. Time for some ornaments and time for some crown. See, y'all can fix it up properly from all the sides. I hope y'all like Mother Velankani. So brooch I have used, and I'm going to use pin and hair accessories for crown, because I don't have that round crown. So I've changed the ornament because it was not looking good. It was total white. So how is it? Did you like it? Please do comment down. So y'all can see my Mother Velankani statue from all the sides. It's tidy, it's nicely wrapped sari. And guys, this is the first time ever I have wrapped sari. I don't know to wrap sari for my own self till today, and this is the first time I have used my skills by observing my dhi. This was the first which sari I have wrapped, but I didn't like the color, and because of that I changed it to pink and white. This is Nash house sari which Dhi has put on, and this was last year of my mama's house, and this is this year green and brown with lighting from my dada. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. एक सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दो प्लीज़, और लाइक भी डाल दो, एक कमेंट कर दो, अच्छा लगता है यार. प्लीज़ डू इट. थैंक यू.